I'm gonna show you how to back up QuickBooks Online to USB drive. So to get started, you have to open your QuickBooks.com and then click on the gear icon right here. And then from there, you have to click on Export Data. And then on Export Data, you will see all the reports, the links right here, lists right here. You can select all days or custom dates that you want. So from here, you can just set whatever you want. And then next is you can uncheck or check whatever you want to export the data from. It's either general ledger or profits and loss or whatever you want. And once you're done, you just have to click on export to Excel, and then it will just download the file. And then just go to your file explorer and then locate your file, and then from there just have to right click and copy the file and then paste it on your USB drive. So from here, I'm just gonna paste it right here, and then when you're done with pasting right here, you have now back up your QuickBooks Online to USB. So that's how to back up your QuickBooks Online to USB drive.